Hi everyone, today I've got an unboxing video for you. Facemasksclub.com have kindly sent me their Christmas themed box. So I'm going to unbox it and share it with you and put one on. I've not got anything on my face at the moment. I'm all bare and unmoisturised and everything else. So I'm going to pamper myself. Facemasksclub.com is a subscription monthly service. They've kindly offered a 10% discount for anyone that wants to give them a try. So I'll put the code up here. Let's get into the unboxing. So this is the box that it came in through the post. So that's the website here. So each month you get a themed box. So this box is the Christmas themed box, which I think is still available on their website. So this is the package inside. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? I always feel, I don't know, a bit guilty fingering, ripping into things when they've been so nicely wrapped, but here it goes. So let's see what we've got. Ooh, we've got a Mrs. Claus. Sorry, Lola's here at the side of me. She's always got to get in on the act. Facemasks, Mrs. Claus cleansing sheet mask enriched with ginseng extract. We got to leave it on for 20 minutes and it's printed. I think that's the design of it here. So for anyone that wants to be reassured it's vegan. Looks rather jolly. Right, next we've got Elasticity, my Orchard Squeeze Mask Raspberry by Fruidia, derived from fruit. So again, this one's vegan. Or a squeeze mask, I don't know what you have to do with that. Ooh, I'm assuming that these are little chocolates. Stelby Final Mask Brightening. Brightening final mask that ends up in one piece. Ooh. And that one's fragrance free. It's got niacinamide in it. Technic Hydrate Sheet Mask. And this one's made in Korea. I know Korean skincare is really popular at the moment, isn't it? This one's a moisturising, smoothing and plumping effect. And they're against animal testing. W7 Pomegranate Power Face Mask. Super Skin Superfood. Packed with pomegranate extract, collagen, star anise, green tea and witch hazel extract. Or another W7 one. This is the 3D coconut sheet mask. I love the smell of coconut, so I'm looking forward to trying that one out. And last but not least is the Christmas pudding, enriched with blackberry extract. So I think this one's a printed one like the first one. That's cute, isn't it? So thank you guys at facemasksclub.com for sending this out. I'm really looking forward to trying some of these out. I've had a check up on their website, and you can purchase a box that comes with the post for as little as £9.45. I think if you pay so many months in advance, you get money reduced. And don't forget, if you use my code, you get 10% off your first box. I've got my first one on. This is the life.